Hi, this is Janet Eifred. In this video I want to show you how to do column addition. We're going to add to 2 digits, 3, 4, 5, quite big numbers we're going to add together in a column, and we're going to work out word problems at the end. Now in my previous video I showed you how to do mental addition, quick mental addition in your head. This is the method now we're going to follow for those we cannot do quickly in our heads. Or any others if you prefer not to add mentally at all. So let's get started. First of all, we start very simple by just adding 1 digit. What is 2 plus 1? That is 3. What is 3 plus 1? 4. Okay, you do the rest, pause the video. There's the answers for you, please check. Pause the video to check, we're moving on. Okay, if we have to say 40 plus 7, we are going to line it up. The 4 in the tens, the 0 in the units, and we're going to add 7. We're going to put a plus there because it helps us remember what we're doing. 0 plus 7 is 7. 4 plus nothing is 4. Okay, if we would do the next one, do you want to try this? The next one is going to have a carry. So I will do this with you if you don't want to pause now and try. 39 plus 1. You might already know the answer. Hopefully you do know the answer. Let's see how do we do it in a column. 9 plus 1 is 10, so we are going to write 10. That 1 is going to become a carry. And then 3 plus nothing plus this 1 gives you the 4, okay? So that's how we get our answer of 40 there. Okay, you try the rest. Pause the video. Now there you go, there's your answers. What I do is I show you the carries. Okay, so that hopefully will help you to understand this method. Okay, pause the video to check. Now we're going to do, what I do is we practice in the grids and then we're going to try to do them without the grid. Therefore, let's try this one together. 17 plus 41. Write it on below each other nice neatly in a column. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. We did not have a carry there. We're going to have a carry there, 41 plus 60. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 4 is 10, so it's going to be 10 like that. Okay, it's your turn. You do the rest. Try to write neatly in a column below each other. Try to leave a bit more space. I've not left enough space there. Try to leave space between your numbers, okay? Okay, pause the video, it's your turn. Now there you go, there's your answers. Please pause the video and check them. Now we want to add these two together. We want to add 2 3 digits here. It is 2, 9, 7. So you fill in your numbers in the grid where it belongs, and this is 12. Now this 9 must just look like a 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. So we carry a 1, and then it's 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, there you go, your answer is 309. And it's your turn, it's page 11 of your workbook. So we already have 11 pages of practice before this. Your turn, pause the video. There's your answers. Please look out for those carries. And please check your answers now. Pause the video. We are moving on now to just mixed addition here. We're going to add 2 3 digits. Okay. So, shall we try together number 22 here? If at this stage you want to pause and do it on your own, please do. For those who feel a bit unsure, I'll do this one with you. 4, 6, 7. And this time we try to remember to leave some space. Some space between the numbers so we can line them up quite nicely. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 9 plus 4. What's 9 plus 4? 13. Okay, 1, 3, 7, 8 there. It's your turn. Pause the video, you do the rest of them. Now there's your answers. Pause the video and check those answers. Now we are going to add to 4 digits. Okay, we need to fill in. Now can you see that it might be a sensible thing to start at the back? 4, 3, 3, 3. When you have bigger numbers, 3 and 6. Now 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. And a 3 and a 3. We didn't have a carry there. It's your turn. Please pause the video and do the rest. There's your answers. Please pause the video and check. Let's just work through this one together. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 5 is 10. We have to carry 1. And it's 0 plus this 1 will give you that 1. And it is the 7. We don't have anything to add to the 7. There wasn't a carry. Okay, your turn. Please just quickly mark your sums that you did from the previous page and pause the video for that. And now we are moving on to the next page. Here you have to do your own grids, okay? You have to write your numbers in columns. It's becoming big numbers now. Let's do number 22 together. So you need to be careful. You need to really focus on neatness here. 6, 4, 6, 7. I leave enough space here and it will be a lot easier for me then. We don't want to write the numbers on top of each other. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 4, 13. We have a carry. 9 plus 6, 15, plus the one that we carried, 16. Okay? It's a good idea to write a plus there because then we remember what we're doing. Okay? Your turn. Please complete the rest of the questions. Pause the video to do that. We are moving on now. Okay, there's your answers. Please pause the video and check your answers. Now it's time to move on. We are going to add together 5 digits. Now it becomes really big numbers. Let's start at the back at the units. There's 8 in the units, there's a 7 in the tens, a 7 in the hundreds, a 0 in the thousands and a 1 in the 10,000s. A 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. If at this stage you feel you can do this, please do. Pause the video now and try to do these on a piece of paper. Else, for those who still feel they need a bit of help, I will work with you through this one. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 4, 11. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 0 plus 4 is 4, but we need to add this carry, in other words 5. And then 5 plus 1 is 6, and there wasn't a carry. Okay, so what is your answer there? Your answer is 65119. Pause the video and do the rest if you haven't yet. Now there's your answers. Please make sure you get those answers. Pause now to check. Okay, and there you go. You don't have a grid for this. We are on page 24 of the workbook. Now it's your turn to try and do this on your own without a grid. Okay, I think you don't need any help anymore. Therefore, I'm going to leave it up to you to do this on your own. Pause the video now. There you go, there's your answers. Please check them now. Pause the video to check. As I end every workbook of mine, I end in word problems because that's important for you to understand how they're going to ask these questions for you in an exam or in a maths test. How will they ask adding? They will ask what is something altogether. Increase, sum. Sum means adding up. What is the value of that? What is the sum? What is the sum? And also total. Total will come up in other questions, which is not extracted here, but which is in the workbook. So please pause the video, try to do these questions. There you go, there's the answers. Please check them. Pause the video to check them now. Also, if you need more practice, please download the workbook. I want to thank you very much for listening to my video, as this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please like it and please subscribe. And please also watch my other videos. Thank you so much for listening.